Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we got a different and unique house here, probably one of the most affordable houses in West Bloomfield, and it's gonna need some work, so you'll see why. Great neighborhood, nice elevation. About 2,000 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 bath. Listed at $315. Repairs, a nice breezeway in here. Garage. All right, welcome in. So right off the bat, needs all new windows. Wood burning fireplace. Looks like they've definitely redone this within the last 10 years. I believe when we get downstairs, we'll see the mechanicals also. Furnace and AC, not too bad. So if you guys are enjoying so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you would take on a project like this, or if you know someone who would. Down in the basement now, actually surprisingly decent ceiling height, little storage, washer and dryer over here. Sump pump storage room, actually this could have been a bedroom. It's been replaced somewhere recently. Water heater is a little older. Electrical's not bad. All right, we're upstairs now. Full gut up here as well. Carpet, paint, windows, light fixtures. Not a bad size room. This one's probably one of the smallest. Need some doors as well. It'd be nice to get rid of some of the different surface levels here. Maybe try and level that room with this here. Yeah, what do you guys think? Would you take on this project?